Hi everyone, today let's take a closer look at this versatile digital alarm clock designed to make mornings easier and nights more restful. This clock offers a 12 and 24-hour time format option so you can switch between your preferred display mode easily. It has a 9-minute snooze function, perfect for those extra minutes of rest we all need. Plus, with dual alarms, it's ideal for households with different wake up times, giving you and your family greater flexibility. You can also set the alarm volume to your liking, ensuring a gentle wake up experience. The volume gradually increases, providing a smooth transition from sleep to wakefulness. This clock also doubles as a customizable night light with 12 unique lighting effects to choose from. You can set the perfect ambience, adjust the brightness to one of five levels, and control the light independently with the buttons. For those who enjoy white noise, this clock offers 23 different sound options to help you relax. You can set a timer to automatically turn off the white noise, ensuring a peaceful environment. With the app, you can sync time, set up 10 alarms, customize lighting effects, and play your favorite white noise instantly. The app provides a seamless way to personalize your experience and adapt to your daily routine. This is powered by a Type-C connection. This clock ensures consistent operation. It also has a backup battery function so your settings are safe during a power outage. Whether it's for better mornings or peaceful nights, this alarm clock has you covered. It makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion, with features that suit the needs of teens, friends, and family alike. Thanks for watching.